So let me tell you, it's been quite some time I've been actually talking about that course, and it's something I really wanted to do, the sauce course, and I thought it really makes sense, you know, to have something about French sauces, but where do you start? Okay, where do you start with a course like this? So I had to look at what was done already at all the schools and everything like this, and all what I found is that where it starts and ends was always the same. Learn how to make stocks, finish with mother sauces. Learn stock and you learn 5 mother sauces. And I thought, you know what, I want to make something different. I want to make something modern, something that's going to be current, okay, that you can use in today's practice, in today's kitchen, and see exactly what's the real thing. What are the professionals doing? Okay, and I wanted to answer one question. Okay, I've learned about stock, I've learned about mother sauces, and then what? What do you do beyond that? How are you going to be using this mother sauce? What are all the derivatives? And how can you mix these things together to make sauces? So I started to study all of the professional sauce making resources, and I realized that, oh my God, what did you put yourself into there again? There are 250 sauces that exist in French cooking. And they all use a combination of different types of stock and something that is more than stocks. I may talk a bit earlier, mother sauces, derivatives, and then all kinds of techniques and ingredients and spirits and everything like that to craft sauces. It is an actual art. And I thought, you know, how to approach this in a course? How am I going to do this? I was like, how am I going to do this? There's so much stuff. It was insane. So I thought to myself, you know what the best thing is to do? We're going to make some kind of scenarios. And I thought the best place to start and to do a course was to kind of step into the shoes of someone in a kitchen that has the role of sauce making. And this is what I've got this pan here. You see, this is called a Saucier pan. And the Saucier is actually a title from a specialist chef in a kitchen brigade. It is the one person in the kitchen that is responsible for everything that has to do with sauces and stocks. That's his job, okay? And the whole idea behind the course we've made is this. You're going to be stepping into the shoes of the Saucier during the entirety of the course. So what does it mean exactly to be a Saucier or to become a Saucier? It is a very important role in the kitchen. It is something actually that is usually done by the sous chef in the kitchen. It's huge. You need a lot of experience in order to become a Saucier. And you need to know everything inside out and in depth, stock making, mother sauces, derivatives, and then all the flavor profile, combination of flavors, what spirits you can use, what juices, sugar, salt, vinegar, everything, okay? And the course we've made is all about that. And making this sauce, trust me, is not an easy task. There's a lot of work, there's a lot of patience, a lot of passion you need to have. And this is why this course is not a beginner course. It is actually an intermediate to advanced level course. There is a prerequisite, I better warn you before you enroll when it's gonna go live, okay? We strongly recommend you have at least followed our course, get started with French cooking, or be well versed in just knowing what mother sauces are and how to make your own stocks, okay? Because there's a lot of content in that course. So I'm not gonna give you too much more details because we still have a trailer to announce that I've created that is gonna, of course, show you and give you an idea of what's in the course we've made, which is called Mastering French Sauces at Home. Let's roll the trailer.